guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing a really exciting video. This is part of my How to Finesse series. If you guys are new here, you probably don't know about this, but I did do one How to Finesse video ever before, and I want this to be a legitimate series on my channel, and in order for it to be legitimate I need to continue to upload in this, so I'm going to be posting a lot more of these videos from now on. But basically, if you guys have ever watched my eyebrow routine video, it's how to finesse your brows, and this is my How to Finesse series. In today's video, we are going to be doing a how to finesse your winged eyeliner tutorial. And this has been very highly requested because I struggle so hard with filming my eyeliner, and most of the times I don't even film my eyeliner in videos just because when I'm filming a makeup tutorial, I just get out of focus and it's just not cute. But in today's video, it's solely about how I do my wing. So for those of you wondering how to just get a good wing, or wondering how the hell I actually do it because I always shut the camera off, this is the video for you. If you guys want to know how to finesse your winged eyeliner, then please just keep on watching this video. Okay, so let's talk eyeliners before we kind of get into the whole technique. So it's kind of whatever you feel most comfortable with in terms of what you want to do for an eyeliner. So when I was first learning, I was in like 6th grade, so I was like 12 years old, but one of my favorite eyeliners to use, which is still available, it was the Lorac Front of the Line Pro liquid eyeliner. So this was the eyeliner, and it just looks like this. You can get it at Kohl's, Sephora, anywhere that kind of sells Lorac. I'll link a couple places down below. And this is the eyeliner that taught me how to do winged eyeliner. Practice does make perfect. That's my #1 tip. So if I were going to tell you guys to do one thing to perfect winged eyeliner, it would be every night before you go to bed and you wash your face, just take off your makeup if you have eyeliner on, or if you don't, just go and practice doing a wing. Practice this technique that I teach you in this video every night before you go to bed if you want to really perfect it. And that's kind of the best way that the best advice that I can give you to get a perfect looking wing is to practice. Because that, with any makeup technique I'm going to teach you in this entire series and on this channel at all, practice is going to make perfect. Now I want to use this liner today, but I'm not going to because it's kind of running out of ink. It's running out of product. I love this eyeliner because it looks like it's a felt tip, but it's not. These are actually like bristles. For people who are learning for the first time how to do eyeliner, sometimes felt tips are a little bit too harsh because they're too dense and they're too thick. You don't have that much mobility with the felt tip. But when you're using something like this, where it's kind of like in the shape of a felt tip, but it's like bristles, I wouldn't recommend like a regular liquid eyeliner when you're first starting, because there's not as much stability and comfort when you're applying a regular liquid eyeliner as opposed to when you're using a pen, because a pen is a little bit more like familiar. You guys know how to write, probably, hopefully, so you know how to use a pen, so it's a little bit easier. That's why I recommend pen liners. And gel's a different look too. Gel's a little bit more of an intense look, and it's a little bit more, you kind of have to be comfortable with makeup brushes and makeup application. That's what I find personally. Now, you can learn on whatever you want. It's all about your practicing, because when it comes to eyeliner especially, like makeup is about practicing because you just need to get a feel for how to apply things, and when it comes to eyeliner, you just need to get stability in your hand. I'm going to be using the Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner. This is the pen. In the shade Intense Black. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. I don't know why I'm using it as waterproof. I don't know. It's just what I've been using recently to achieve my winged eyeliner. I'm going to start out by creating the inner corner. Using the shape of the tip, I'm going to kind of just line my lash line in the inner corner first, and I'm going to stop right in the center of my eye. So as you can see, all I did was just trace out the lash line. I didn't make it thicker or anything. I'm gonna now kind of take the tip of the eyeliner and go right here. And I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. Now I'm gonna complete lining my eye. And I do that by going at the top, the highest point, and dragging out. And then I'm just gonna fill this all in. So I like doing that first because I feel like it helps you to see kind of like the shape of your eye and how you want your wing to look. Everybody has a different eye shape, and every time someone's doing eye makeup, they could be going for a different look. So sometimes people are looking for a more cat eye effect, where others are looking for a little bit more of a lift in the eye. So you just kind of have to see how your eye is looking. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Now for the wing, it all depends on how you want to do the wing, but basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of go right where like the tail of my eyebrow is. So I'm gonna use that to be my guide. So from the lower lash line to the tail, I'm gonna kind of like draw a little line. So the more you drag it out, the less pressure you apply so that it can have that sharp edge. Then I'm gonna connect it from the tip of that line to probably about a quarter of the way. So we're at this point. Once it's connected, I'm going to fill in the wing. Then basically what I'm going to do is kind of sharpen this top line and the tail. Okay, so now I'm going to use concealer to clean it up. Concealer can save any goddamn look you're doing, like literally anything. But you have to do both eyes with concealer, even if one eye is perfect, because it's gonna look a little bit weird. So at least put like a little line. So over here I kind of like this one, but I just want to fix the end a little bit. But I'm gonna line it with concealer like this. This is my Morphe, by the way, my M432. I use this to clean up my brows, and I'm just going to work the concealer back and forth here. Wow, that's sharp. So I blend this outer part before the wing with my finger just to kind of get it all blended, and then I'm going to drag down the rest of the concealer. And every time I do this, people compliment my eyeliner. There's a lot of days where I don't do this and I just kind of do, you know, my thing. But every time I do this to my winged eyeliner, I get compliments because it just looks so much sharper. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helped you out. If you want more videos in the How to Finesse series, which I am going to be continuing, comment your requests down below. I'm definitely going to have to do a false lashes video soon. because I know a lot of people are questioning how I apply false eyelashes. But if you have any other things that you want me to teach you how to finesse, then don't forget to comment them in the comment section down below. I am going to be starting my back to school series when August starts. The first week in August, I'm going to be filming back to school videos. So if you guys have any specific requests, please comment those down below as well. I really appreciate you guys tuning into this week's video, and I appreciate all of you who are subscribed and who like the videos and who comment and who support me through my Instagram. My Instagram and all my other social medias will be linked per usual in the description box down below, so you can check those out. Follow me on there, and that's just kind of a good way to stay updated with what's going on. I hopefully will see you guys in my next video. Bye.